To request transcripts and letters of recommendation, you will need to log in to Naviance. On the district's homepage, click on the first icon on the left under the images. Then enter your school email address, and the password is your 6-digit student ID number. When you get to the Family Connection page, click on the Colleges tab. Then click on Colleges I'm applying to. On this page, you'll be able to indicate which institutions you are applying to, how you are applying, and request your transcripts. If you are using the Common application, you will need to complete the Common App account matching blue box. Simply enter the email address that you use to create your Common App account and your date of birth, then click Match. This will allow us to send letters of recommendation, transcripts, and other necessary forms to the Common application. If you are not using the Common application, you do not need to complete the blue box at all. But both applications, whether it be your institutional application or your Common application schools you apply to, need to be listed in your Naviance account. To do so, click Add to this list to add your schools. Here you can search for your school using the Lookup button. Type the name of your school you are applying to and click Go. Help us with a couple of these questions. For type, tell us what type of application you are completing. Is it a priority application, an early action, or an early decision? If it is early decision, be sure to have a conversation with your counselor and your parents. Many of you will be applying regular decision or early action. Once you have submitted your admission application, you can click the Request box to request your transcripts to be sent to the institution. Also, let us know you have submitted your application by checking the box here. Scroll down and click Add Colleges. This will list all of the colleges under the blue box. This next screen asks you to decide whether or not you're going to be applying via Common App or directly to the institution. For now, we'll leave it as I'm not sure yet and update application. Let's take a look at a couple of the parts we would like you to complete. Here is the college name. The type was EA for early action. The next question, how are you applying via Common App? This is very important, especially if you see I am not sure yet. I am not sure yet means that, for example, Augustana College uses their own institutional application and the Common application for admission to the school. They accept both types of applications. Which one did you complete? To indicate this, click on I am not sure yet. If you submitted the Common application, then you would select via Common App. If you completed Augustana's application, you would select directly to the institution, then Update Application. Now if you notice, since we answered directly to the institution, you can see that there is a red line through the CA in the computer screen that stands for Common Application. That means you did not use the Common application, and we can submit transcripts and letters of recommendation directly to Augustana instead of the Common App. For transcript, it shows that the transcript has been requested and that your application has been submitted. Once you receive a decision from Augustana, you can let us know the result by clicking on the Edit Pencil icon. To request letters of recommendation, scroll to the top and click on the Colleges tab. Then select Letters of Recommendation. It is advised that you verbally ask your recommender in person if they would like to write a letter of recommendation for you first. Then request the letter in Naviance. Click Add Request and select a teacher. You can also let your recommender know if you would like their letter to be sent to a specific school or all the current and future colleges in your colleges that you are applying to list. Please also include a personal note to thank your recommender for writing a letter of recommendation for you. This is a good place to also indicate if you are using the Common Application so that they know to complete the teacher evaluation form and the letter of recommendation that may be required. Then click Submit Request. This will essentially link their Naviance account to yours so they can send their documentation on behalf to the colleges that you are applying to. This Naviance electronic letter of recommendation request is solely for educators who work at WTHS. Please inform your counselor that you are applying via Common App to the specific colleges and universities by sending them a personal email.